Hello, my dear students and friends, welcome back. It's a new video here. In that video, I would like you to practice past tense with me. तो past tense की practice करेंगे हम, ठीक है? तो पास्ट टेंस। अब पास्ट टेंस में क्या करने वाले, एक छोटी सी स्टोरी मैं आपको बोलता हूँ और लिखूंगा भी यहाँ पे, और उसमें स्टोरी में हम क्या करने वाले हैं, पास्ट टेंस है तो सब्जेक्ट और सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, तो मैं उसको हिंदी में भी बोलूंगा, इंग्लिश में भी। तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ वी कैन प्रैक्टिस past tense. It's a small story. So the first sentence is I went to her house. देखिए simple. I went to her house. I knocked the door. I knocked the door. मैं उसके घर गया, मैंने दरवाजा खटखटाया. She opened the door smiling. She opened the door smiling, मतलब उसने मुस्कुराते हुए दरवाजा खोला. फिर she asked me to come in, मतलब ask क्यों यूज किया, जब कोई काम करने के लिए कहते हैं. She asked me to come in. I went in, तो मैं अंदर गया. फिर she asked me to sit down on the sofa. She asked me to sit down on the sofa. I sat down on the sofa. I sat down, इसको कैपिटल करना है, ठीक है. I sat down on the sofa. I thought that sofa was new and comfortable. I thought that sofa was new and comfortable. She went into the kitchen to make a cup of tea for me. ठीक है, sorry, she, not I. She went into the kitchen to make a cup of tea for me. ठीक है. फिर उसने चाय बना ली, चाय मुझे ऑफर की. She offered me a cup of tea or that cup of tea. We had tea together. हम लोगों ने साथ में चाय पी ली. We had tea together. ठीक. उसके बाद we talked to each other for some time. We talked to each other for some time. कुछ देर के लिए बात की. Then I got up to go. I got up to leave या go. तभी मैंने क्या वहां पे एक पिक्चर देखी वॉल पे. I saw a beautiful painting on the wall. I saw beautiful painting on the wall. It was very beautiful. I liked it. I liked it. फिर मैंने उसकी तारीफ की. किसकी पेंटिंग की? I praised that picture. फिर क्या हुआ? On hearing the words of praise. On hearing the words of praise, she had tears in her eyes. तो उसकी आंखों में आंसू आ गए. I asked her the reason of her weeping. She told me that I was the first person who praised her painting. And then I left her home and I came back. तो ये एक कन्वर्सेशन मैंने पास्ट में इसलिए किया कि आप प्रैक्टिस कर सके कि पास्ट में कैसे बनाते हैं हम सेंटेंस. सो इट वाज अ स्मॉल स्टोरी and please try to practice it. And as you know, I have been an English teacher for the last 28 years and I have been teaching English online through Skype for the last 10 years. I have got students from many countries. You may go through my channel to watch live recording with my students. And if you think you want to learn English with me online through Skype, you may contact me. I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that. Thanks for watching. Thank you.